Hi everyone, today we have this platform called SemRush and this is the best all-in-one SEO software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on SemRush. Now jumping straight onto the platform, you can see we have currently the dashboard where I added this sample website, which is another great tool by the way. So you can see we have currently the project, so it is showing under the project section. We have the site audit, position tracking, on page SEO, and all these other options that are extremely crucial for the search engine optimization. If you look closely on the left side, you can see a ton of features that are great for, like for example, SEO for your site, and these are amazing because you can do your competitive research. You have your domain overview, so if you head over to that, you can see your complete analysis. You can compare your domains and get your growth report. Not only that, it have traffic analytics, organic research. In the keyword research, if you head over to keyword overview, you can simply type in here a keyword and it will be giving you amazing results related to that. So you also have your own page and tech SEO. So if you want to do your site auditing, it have amazing, you can say, like features for this. So you can simply start your site auditing from here and it will be giving you the important analytics. So you can see everything is basically loading up, especially like pages crawled, site health, errors, warnings, and all these analytics are available in here. So you can also check your local advertising, social media, and all that stuff is basically packed into this amazing software. To give it a try to SemRush, you can also first analyze the reviews left by people. SemRush, the all-in-one tool you need, the best in the business, and use SemRush if you want to shine as a SEO consultant. Before we end this video, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses on SemRush. That will be super awesome, and thank you so much for watching and see you guys around in the next video.